First, we need to go beyond just sorting out lights and darks. We also need to be able to sort by fabric type as well as colours. For example, heavy denim rubbing against a delicate item like a sweater is like scraping sandpaper against silk, causing pilling and snags. So create piles for lights, darks, delicates and heavy items like jeans and towels. And don't forget to zip up anything that has a zip on it, like your jeans. The metal will cause snagging during your laundry wash. Now, loading. Don't overstuff your washing machine. Your laundry needs room to move around, or your laundry will just come back out dirty. A good rule of thumb is to leave your hand in width space between the laundry and the top of your drum. Now this ensures a better clean and protects your clothes. Now treat stains as quickly as possible. The quicker you treat a stain, the better the chances are. Once the stain dries, it bonds with the fabric, making it more incredibly difficult to remove later. So reach for that stain remover if you have one. For tricky stains like grease, a little bit of dish soap mixed with baking soda works wonders. I have a video on this. For more tips on laundry, check out my description page where I have a free laundry guide and one in more detail which is payable. Okay, number 4, do you have whites that are turning grey? If so, just add half a cup of baking soda or soda crystals to your wash. It brightens without harsh bleach damage. Next we've got colours. Avoid colour fading by washing your brights inside out on a cold cycle, because modern detergents are designed to work in cold water, so you'll protect your colours, prevent shrinkage and even save on energy bills. Now skip the tumble dryer if you can, as air drying keeps colour stronger for longer and clothes lasting much longer. Now at number 6, look after your delicates. Use a mesh laundry bag for your bras, your hosiery, your socks and any other delicate items you may have. Now tossing them in with heavy clothes is a recipe for disaster, as mesh bags act as a protective barrier, preventing tangling, stretching and snagging. And yes, they also solve the mystery of the lost sock. Now, detergent. Now, too much detergent leads to soap buildup on your clothes and in your washing machine too. And too little, you won't even get clean clothes. So follow the guide or use pods if you find it's too confusing, especially if you're just starting out. Now step 8, use the right wash cycle and temperature. This is the most crucial step, and all I can say is obey the care label. Use the right wash cycle and temperature for the right fabric. It keeps the clothes in good shape and lasts much longer. Now, when in doubt, always default to the gentlest setting on your washing machine, and also try to air dry. Next, we've got fabric softeners. Now, fabric softeners can reduce absorbency in your towels, so try white vinegar instead. It softens naturally and it removes smells. Or wool dryer balls. They naturally soften fabrics, reduces static and cut down on the drying time. Now we've got air drying. Now, air dry when possible. The dryer is tough on clothes and heat can shrink cotton, damage elastic and weaken fibres over time. So air dry whenever you can, especially with knits, activewear and with anything that has stretch in it. If you do use the dryer, choose the lowest heat setting. Now avoid a smelly washing machine by running a hot cycle with soda crystals or white vinegar at least once a month. Always leave the door open after every wash and remove your detergent drawer as well and allow that to air dry. Now for more laundry tips on how to wash your sweaters and your jeans, check out the next video coming up. And please give this video a like.